Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this problem here to find the value of x without substitution when we're solving for x smaller than 0 smaller than or equals x and x smaller than or equals to pi. And then to solve without substitution, I'm gonna take both sides of the equation to the power of 3, right? So this is one here to the power of 3 and this one here to the power of 3. So if I have a plus b to the power of 3, I can say that this is a to the 3. This is a formula, right? I'm just writing this 3ab, which multiplies a plus b. So and then it means that this one to the power of 3, we will have here this 6th root of 1/2 plus sine x to the power of 3 plus 6th root of 1/2 minus sine x, and this one to the power of 3 as well, and then plus 3ab, which is the product of them here, 6 1/2 minus plus sine x times 6 1/2 minus sine x, and then you see we will have ab. If this is a and this is b, a plus b is 1, right? So we don't have to write here 1 because this will be times 1, so this will be equals 1. Okay, and then simplifying these 3 with this, we will have square root of 1/2 plus sine x plus square root of 1/2 minus sine x, and then this one here, I'm gonna send this the right side of the equation, 1 minus 3, and this I'm just gonna write it as a product, which is 1/4 minus sine square x. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna take both sides of the equation to the power of 2, right? So this is 2 and this is 2 to the power of 2. So this one here to the power of 2, we're gonna have square root of this one to the power of 2. This would be 1/2 plus sine x, and then plus this one plus 1/2 minus sine x, and then plus 2 times the product of this rule here, so it is going to be square root of 1/2 minus sine square x, right? And then this is equals to, let me just keep this one here, right? Because of the space, 1 minus 3 6 root of 1/4 minus sine square x, right, to the power of 2, because I don't have enough space here. So now this one goes with this one, and this one here plus this one is 1 plus 2 square root of 1/2 minus sine square x, sorry, 1/4, and this one to the power of 2 is 1 minus 6 6th root here of 1/4 minus sine square of x, and then plus 9, which this one will be to the power of 2. So simplifying, we're gonna have cubic root of 1/4 minus sine square of x, right? So guys, perfect. From here I'm gonna simplify this and this. Okay, so now I have that this is 2, right, which multiplies 1 over square root of 1/4 minus sine square of x, right? And then I'm gonna say here minus 9 cubic root of 1/4 minus sine square of x, and then minus 6, I mean plus 6, because I'm saying this, plus 6 6th root of 1/4 minus sine square of x, and then this is equal 0. So guys, here I'm gonna do something really interesting here, because I can factor out square root of 1/4. Well, I can factor out this one here, right? I can factor out this one here. Okay, so there are so many ways we can do it, but I'm gonna say that this is Let me see what I can do here. Okay guys, from here I'm gonna actually what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna simplify this. So I'm gonna write this as 1 over 1 times 1 over 4 minus sine square of x. I can write this as 1 over 2, right? And then minus 9, 1 over 4 minus sine square x to the power of 1 over 3, right? Plus 6 times 1 over 4 minus sine square of x, and then this is to the power of 1 over 6, and then this is equal 0, right? And then from here I'm going to simplify, right, this one here. So I'm going to say this is let's say 1 over 4 minus sine square x to the power of 2, which is 1/2, which will multiply 2 minus 9 times 1 over 4 minus sine square of x. You see, I have 1, 3 here. This would be 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, which is this one here, right? And 1 over, so let's write this one here. And then plus 6, 1 over 4 minus sine square x, right? And then this is 1 over 6 minus 1 over 2. And then this is equal 0, okay? As you can see here guys, I have 1 over 4 minus sine square x to the power of 1 over 2, and then this will multiply 2 minus 9 times 1 over 4 minus sine square x. This would be here, this one here, 1/2 minus 1/3 minus 1/2, this is minus 1/3, right? And then this one here, this is plus 6 times 1 over 4 minus sine square x, right? And then this is minus 1 over 6. I mean, this is actually 1 over 6, is it? Let me see. My apologies guys, this is actually, I made a little mistake here. This is wrong here. So this is 1 over 6, right? And this is gonna be 1 over 3, right? And then this is equal 0. And then from here we can say that 1 over 4 minus sine square x to the power of 1 over 2 is equal 0, and this expression 2 is equal 0. So 2 minus 9. Okay, perfect. And then from here, let's solve this one here. So we're gonna have then this is 1 over 4 minus sine square x equals 0, because square root of 0 is 0. So this is then okay, sine square of x equals 1/2, 1 over 4, sorry, and then sine x is equal to plus or minus 1/2. And then from here, if you go and watch the first video, from here we're gonna have sine of x, right? So let's solve this. 1/2, right? And then sine x equals negative 1/2. Okay, from here we're gonna have, or sine x equals to let me write this different way, in a different way, right? So I have, if sine x is equal 1/2, it means this is sine x equals sine of pi over 6, or sine x equals sine of 5 pi over 6, right? And from here we have then that x is equal to pi over 6, or x equals to 5 pi over 6. The second one here we have that this is either sin x equals 7 pi over 6, I mean sine of 7 pi over 6, or sine x equals to sine of 11 pi over 6. And then from here we have x equals to 7 pi over 6, or x equals to 11 pi over 6. Okay, so now the second one here, this is interesting to solve as well. So let me write it down. So this is 2 minus 9, 1 over 4 minus sine square x to the power of minus 1 over 6, and then plus 6, right? Is it actually plus 6? Okay, plus 6, which multiplies 1 over 4 minus sine square of x minus 1 over 3, and then this is 0. So guys, what I'm gonna do here is that I'm going to multiply this equation by 1 over 4 minus sine square of x to the power of 1 negative 1, I mean to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, so I'm gonna have then that this is 2 times 9, sorry, this is gonna be 2 times 1 over 4 minus sine square x, right, to the power of 1 over 3, and then this is minus 9, which multiplies 1 over 4 minus sine square of x to the power of, I have minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. What is this going to give me? This is 2 minus 1 plus 2 divided by 6, right? This is going to be 1 over 6. Okay, so 1 over 6 here, and then this one here, adding this will be 0, right? So we're gonna have this plus 6, and then this is 0. Okay, from here then I'm gonna say that this is 2 times 1 over 4 minus sine. This equation is beautiful, bro. So this one here I'm gonna write is 1 over 3 to the power of 2. I'm gonna multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Minus 9, 1 over 4 minus sine square of x 1 over 6 plus 6 equals 0. So from here guys, I have that this is 2 1 over 4 minus sine square of x, right, to the power, this is gonna be 1 over 6 square, right, minus 9 1 over 4 minus sine square of x 1 over 6 plus 6 equals 0. So solving this quadratic equation in terms of 1 over 4 minus sine square of x to the power 1 over 6, we're going to have 1 over 4 minus sine square of x to the power of 1 over 6, right, is going to be equals to 9 plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 4. So this means that 1 over 4 minus sine square of x is equal to plus or minus, I'm taking both sides of this equation to the power of 6. So I multiply here by 6, and then this to the power of 6. So this is going to be 9 plus or minus square root of 33 over 4 to the power of 6. And then sine square of x is equal to 1 over 4 minus 9 plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 4 to the power of 6. And then sine x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4 minus 9 plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 4 to the power of 6. Okay, either plus or minus, this one here will be negative. With the plus, we're going to have something like 2, I think it's 2508 something 0.4, and the other one is negative 0.04. So this is going to be all imaginary in terms of I, right? So we don't want this. I just solved this to show that we're not going to be able to use this. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoy the solution of this equation. Thank you very much. This is the video with that substitution, and we have a video which is shorter with substitution. So go and watch. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Send me some problems to solve, guys, and give me some suggestions as well. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. See you next video, and our solutions are this one cycled. Thank you very much.